Hi there, in this video we're going to learn what are escape sequences and how to use them. Basically, escape sequences are the characters in the string which does not represent themselves but represent the character next to them. So let's understand them by doing some practical. I'm gonna be opening PHP syntax, closing it. Let's say we have a condition here. Let's use one variable str and I'm assigning a value to it. For us is my name. Save it. In the htdocs file, let's create a folder, course, and in course let's create the file name test.php. Save it. Come over here, localhost. Forget to add this, and now echo str. For us is my name. Okay, now what if I wanted to add my name into the quotation? Save it. We have an error. So in order to print the quotation, we have to use the backslash. And now this is the escape sequences. This backslash actually doesn't mean anything and it will not gonna print it, but what it is doing, it is representing the next letter or character to it and saying print this special character into the string without considering it as a syntax. So that's what the escape sequences are. They are allow you to print or use the characters which are part of a syntax, or the other meaning would be to use the escape sequences that means something different than what literally they are. Save it, you will gonna understand it. You see phrases here. Now there is another one with the single quotation. If you are using a single quotation outside and you want to print a single quotation inside, you can use slash and it will gonna print the single quotation. Now another one is itself a slash. Now what if you want to print the slash by itself? So what you will gonna do, because backslash actually is a special character, so it will not be able to print, so you have to use this double slashes. Come back, refresh, and you see double slashes are here. Same goes with the dollar sign, because dollar is used as a string. Dollar is used to print the variable. It will not gonna be able to print like that. Save it. Come here, you see dollar is printing here. And there are other as well, and these are the very simple things that you can use, like /n and /t. So if I wanted to add the indentation, say I will gonna save it, but it will not gonna work. Why is that? Because PHP by default render in the browser as a HTML. So in order to make escape sequences work, we have to treat it or render it as a plain text. That's how the programming language works. So to make it display as a text, we have to use one command. So in order to print or render the PHP as a text, we have to use header, and here we have to say content type plain. Save it, go back on line number 3. We forgot semicolon. Okay, you see now the indentation is here. Now the same thing for the new line. For us is my name, my job is freelancing. You see, my job is freelancing. So these are the escape sequences that commonly used. There are many more, like you might have seen /f, which is used to represent a hexacode, and you probably have seen it in the CSS if you know about it. If not, don't worry about it. These are the most common one that you usually use in your programming and in your application. /n is the most common one, or double quotation, single quotation. Other you hardly use them. So Now you pretty much have the idea what are the escape sequences and how to use them. So that's it. We're gonna see you in the next video.